Hi friends! This week we are learning about outer space, and today we're going to talk about the sun. What do you know about the sun? Well, guess what? I'm wearing my sunglasses because one thing I know for sure about the sun, it's bright and it can hurt my eyes. So let's check out this book and let's see what else we can know about the sun. Our story for today is entitled Sun, One in a Billion. The author is Stacy McAnulty and it's illustrated by Stevie Lewis. Oh, look at the color. Nice and bright and yellow. Look at me. I'm wearing yellow today too. Ooh, that reminds us of the sun, right? It's nice and bright. Sun, one in a billion. Once upon a time, 4.6 billion years ago, a magnificent and important star was born. And that magnificent and important star was me. Look at the sun is telling its story. Your sun with a capital letter S. Yes, I am a star. And what does the star mean? Number one, a star is a massive and luminous ball of gas full of energy. Number two, a star is an outstanding, talented, and popular performer. I fit both definitions. Well, this is a Milky Way galaxy. And the Milky Way galaxy has over 100 billion stars. That makes me one in a billion. Or, maybe one in 100 billion. Look at all the stars. And the sun is just one of the tiny specks. I'm not the biggest. So what? Not the brightest. Who cares? Not the oldest. Whatever. But I am the most important. At least to you Earthlings. What do you think? I think the sun is very important to planet Earth. And that's what the sun thinks too. Can you hang out for 8 minutes? Because that's how long it takes my light to reach Earth. Yep, I gave you heat and light. You're welcome. I'm so important that Earthlings should name a special day in my honor. Do you know what day it is? It's Sunday. You got it. Oh, wait. Yes, I'm famous for my heat and light, but I also hold our solar system together. Look at that. Scientists call it gravity. What can I say? The planets are attracted to me. And because I'm the center of our solar system, look at the sun and look at all the planets around the sun. See, he's at the middle or at the center of the solar system. Because of that, I'm the center of the solar system. And life revolves around me. Literally, everything revolves mean it goes around. Let's check out these planets. What do you see? This is Neptune. The one farthest from the sun, that's Saturn with a ring. That's Uranus. If you go on the other side a little bit closer, you will see our planet. Planet Earth. Venus. Mars. Jupiter. And the one closest to the sun is Mercury. That must be the hottest one, huh? Because it's very close to the sun. Those other stars are far, far away from the Earth, which makes them look very, very tiny and not so important. I'm close, a mere 93 million miles from Earth. To an Earthling, I look like this. See, this is planet Earth, and there's the sun. But to Neptunians, remember? The Neptune planet, the one that's farthest from the sun. I'm 2,795 million miles away, and I look like this. Look how tiny it is. Technically, I'm a yellow dwarf star. But I'm still a big, big deal. If I were the size of a basketball, think about the basketball, Earth would be smaller than a grain of sand. So if you compare it, if you think of the sun as big as the basketball, the Earth is just as tiny as the sand. Ooh, that's pretty small, huh? So you could even fit about 1 million Earths inside the sun. So the sun is still pretty big, right? But you can't fill me with Earths because I'm a hot stuff. Look at that. Compare. That's a hot summer day. That's a hot pizza. That's the orange-yellow flames in a campfire. That's even hotter, right? But this is me. Oh, my center is 27 million Fahrenheit. That's super duper hot. I don't think something would ever survive in the sun. Ancient Earthlings thought I circled the Earth. See, this is Earth. This is what people a long time ago think, that it's the sun that goes around the Earth. Can you imagine me revolving around Earth? And some might think that I sit in the sky all day and all night. But I got moves, baby. I'm spinning. Look at that sun. He doesn't think that way, right? It's not him that spins around the Earth, but actually it's the Earth that goes around the sun. And because I'm not solid, my middle moves faster than my top and bottom. Don't try this at home. Oh, look at that. See? I'm not only important, I'm generous and good looking. Look how beautiful the sun is when it's sunrise. When it's sunset, when it goes down, the color changes so pretty. And look at the sun with the northern lights. And this is how it looks like with southern lights. Wow, the color of the sun changes. Look how beautiful it is. Sit back and enjoy me. Sometimes I like to be mysterious and sneak away for a few minutes. Sometimes that happens. This is what we call the solar eclipse. Don't worry. this is when I'm just behind the moon. While I'm astronomically bigger than the moon, which is 400 times wider, the moon is astronomically closer to Earth. That's what happens, see? Moon is a lot closer to Earth than this. My neighbor stars have fancy names. Meet Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B. Me, I just need 3 letters. Give me an S, give me a U, give me an N, and that spell sun. You're right. Sun, sun, he's our star, light and heat from afar. Please note that's a capital S. I am important. Not to hog the spotlight, but I've still got it. I'm the same hot, bright star I've always been. So grab your shades. I plan to be in the biz for another 5 billion years. You and me, we've got a bright future together. The end. Now that we listened to the story of the sun, let's see if we can remember some facts about it. Okay, so I have a picture of the sun here. And remember how we spell sun? S-U-N, sun. So I'm going to write it down as we go along and talk about it. So the sun is, remember, the sun is a star. It's like a star. And it's very close to the planet Earth where we live. That's why we can see it closer. And it's also a ball of gas. So it's made of gas. It's not solid, it's not liquid, but it's made of gas. The sun is also very hot. Remember that picture of food, of pizza, and then the campfire? But the sun is more than that. It's very, very hot. And then it's also very bright. That's why when we are out, we don't want to look straight to the sun because it's very bright and it can hurt our eyes. So now let's talk about what sun can do. Sun can give us light. That's why we have the day, because the sun gives us light. The sun gives us heat, right? It can dry up stuff. If something is wet and we just leave it outside, then the sun can dry it up. And also the sun gives us energy.